Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Two of my five buy recommendations are starting to move, and I haven't given you an update in a couple of weeks. Gold, silver, MP materials are well on their way. This is not a good time to buy either one of those. But crude oil and natural gas are very attractive at these levels. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through oil and natural gas, where they are now, the levels that confirm these calls are still on track, and the single number that tells me to step aside. Let's get to the charts. So this is crude oil. Here was my buy back in the end of 2025 at about 57, and it went up, and we got out at 94.77. That was a double, big move. Corrected. And June 18th, I went to a buy rating again at 76.52. It traded lower. I reiterated to buy a couple weeks later or 2 weeks later around the 70 level as it filled this gap. Currently, we're at 82.88. I do not want to see that break 79. If this closes below 79, I am out. The potential upside here are new highs. I believe we're in a third of a third wave. According to the Elliott wave theory, believes trends or cycles go in waves of five. And so we got our first wave up, our second wave correction, and we're in our third wave. Within the third wave, there'll be five waves. One, two. I believe we're entering the third of the third. That is the sweet spot. That is the uh, eye of the hurricane. That's where you want to be. So I'm expecting new highs above 120, and it should be significantly above 120 if it's truly a third wave. So your reward to risk right now is very favorable. You've got, I don't know, 5% potential downside, and your upside is huge. So this is the spot you want to buy, not when it's already moved. You want to buy it here. That's crude oil. Nat gas. Here's the bullish channel. Here's your support level. Here's your resistance level. You want to buy on support. You want to sell at resistance. We're right on support. And we have I believe we're in the third of a third wave here too, which is, again, I look for these. These are not around very often. And so here's your first wave up and your second wave correction. Within the third wave, I think we're in a third of a third, just like crude oil. One, two, we'll see a three and a four and a five, and we'll see higher highs north of $5.80. So if you buy here, your reward to risk is really great. I don't want to see this fall below 260, and I'm expecting north of 530. So to summarize, here's the bottom line. Both oil and natural gas are acting the way I want them to act. Oil needs to hold above support. We don't want to see it below 79 on a daily close. That's my signal. The call is on track. Natural gas needs to stay above 260. If either of them closes below their stop, I'm out. No questions asked. Until then, the call stands and I'll keep you posted. If you found this useful, hit subscribe so you don't miss the update. I'll see you on the next chart. Adios.